Hello guys, I have my friend with me today. His name is Pumpkin Latte. Hi Pumpkin Latte. And we're gonna make a pumpkin latte out of my friend. It's gonna be very special pumpkin latte. It's gonna look really cool. So we're gonna make a sweet foam out of the agave syrup and instant coffee, and I also added some agar powder. This one you can skip, but it will bring more stability to your foam, and it's gonna stay longer as a foam, as whipped in a whipped shape in your fridge. So, and here the latte itself. Thank you, Pumpkin. So I have here pumpkin puree, almond milk, coconut milk, cinnamon powder. I hope that's it. Yeah, you will find all ingredients for this recipe below this video, so don't forget to check it out. And I'm not adding any sweetener because the foam will be quite sweet, trust me. So now we're gonna warm up our agave syrup with agar powder, and we bring it to a boil. As soon as you see bubbles, you have to boil it for 10 seconds, and that's it. And then we pour it into the bowl. So let's start. So, as you can see, it's still bubbling. Now I'm gonna add the syrup into the bowl. So we added our syrup, and now we're gonna add instant coffee dissolved in a little bit of water. And we're gonna start whipping it. So it's ready. You whip it until it gets to this fluffy consistency. And we're gonna use it later. For now, it goes to the side. And now I am gonna blend my latte mix. You can also use a whisk. It's not necessary to do with a blender, but I just have to tell you, but don't tell anyone, there is no pumpkin puree. It's actually pieces of cooked pumpkin. That's why I have to use blender. But if you have puree, you can use only whisk for this purpose. So, now we put it in the same pot from the syrup. And we have an orange here. I'm gonna add 2 pieces of orange peel, just to bring a little bit of Christmas flavor. That's enough. Hot enough. Make sure to get rid of the orange peel. Now we're gonna pour our latte into the glasses. Add some coffee. I'm gonna add my foam. There is no fat, it's not cream. Here we go. Wish me luck. Add some sprinkle of cinnamon on top. And voila, it's ready. You wanna try? Enjoy your pumpkin holidays, guys. Happy pumpkin latte! Ciao!